Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss how to bring clarity in technical writing by avoiding words that can have opposite meanings. So there are some words in English that we call Janus words. Janus words or auto antonyms that carry opposite meaning depending on the context. So we call it Janus words. So this duality can confuse readers, especially in technical writing. So replace them with unambiguous terms. Replace them with the term specific term and rephrase the sentence with clarity. So how to avoid Janus words? So let's see some example of Janus words here. Like we have this word called sanction. Sanction also means approve. It also means penalize. So here there is sentence: the government sanctioned the new project, means approve the new project. They were sanctioned for violating the rules, means punished for violating the rules. So we must know the meaning of these two words in order to understand the sentence, or we can use more specific word too. Like rather than saying that government sanctioned the new project, you say the government approved the new project. They were sanctioned for violating rules, rather say they were punished for violating rules, because sanction can have more than one meaning. Like here, next example is dust. Dust also means removing the dust, and dust also means dust like particle. So she dusted the cells, means she removed the dust from the cells, means he cleaned the cells. He dusted the cake with sugar, means he sprinkled dust like particles on the uh, on on the cake. That sugar, that are small particles, and small particles of sugar, he spread it on the sprinkled on the cake. So be clear about it. So rather than she dusted the cake, she dusted the cells, say she cleaned the cells. He dusted the cake with the sugar, he sprinkled the cake with the sugar. Next is trim. He trim can also be cut way that is excess, and trim can also mean decoration. So see here, he trimmed the hedge, means he cut away the excess. So you can see that he pruned the hedges. She trimmed the hat with the lace. You can say she decorated the hat with the lace. Next is seed. Seed means planting the seed. It also means removing the seed. The farmer seeded the field, means he the farmer planted the seeds in the field. He seeded the fruit before eating. It means he removed the seed from the fruit before eating. So use exact word, like the farmer planted planted the seeds in the field. He removed the seed from the fruit before eating. Left also means departed. Left also means remained. What is remained behind? She left the party early. He was the only one left in the room. So be specific. She departed from the party early. He was the only one left in the room. Bound. Bound means also going towards. Bound means also tied and obligated. So he is bound for Delhi. Means he is going towards Delhi. So rather say he is headed for Delhi. She is legally bound to the contract. Means he is tied to the contract or obligated to the contract. So bound can create confusion. So rather use a specific word. These words are called Janus words. Then we have clip. Clip also means cut. Clip also means attach. Please clip the coupons. Means cut the coupons. Please, he clipped the pages together. He attached the pages together. So be specific. Next is fast. He run fast in the race. And fast is also firm and stable. And fast is also when you keep, observe a fast. Uh, that religious fast. So he ran fast in the race, means he ran quickly in the race. The color was fast and did not fade, means it was firm and stable. So rather than writing this, you write, he ran quick in the race. The color was secure and did not fade. Fine. He paid fine for speeding, that is penalty. The fabric was made of fine silk, means high quality silk. Weather. The weather means withstood. Weather also means worn down. So the boat weathered the storm, means it withstood the storm. Storm may be टूटा नहीं. The paint was weathered over time. It was worn down over time. Let's see some other words, like we have already done this: dust, to remove dust or to apply dust. So he dusted the cake. which means did he clean it or sprinkle sugar? So write clear sentence. He sprinkled sugar on the cake. He cleaned the cake. Seed, to plant seed and remove seed. So she seeded tomatoes. So be clear. She planted the tomatoes. She removed the seed from the tomatoes. Sanction. It means also to approve. It means also to penalize. So be specific about it. The country was sanctioned. It's not clear it was rewarded or punished. So be clear about it. The country was penalized with trade restriction. The country was approved for aid. Be clear about what sanction you mean. Left, departed, and remaining. Both is there. Only one student was left. So one student departed from or one student is left is not clear. So one student remained in the room. Next is oversight. Oversight means supervision, and it can also means neglect. Due to oversight the error happened. So it can also means because of supervision or because of negligence. So be specific. Due to negligence the error happened. Under supervision the error was caught. Trim. Trim can also means to decorate. It can also means to cut. So she trimmed the trees. So you must be clear about she decorated the trees with light or she cut the extra branches. Weather. So be clear about it is about to withstand or it is about to veer away. Like the bridge weathered the storm. So it survived the storm or damaged from the storm. So be clear about the bridge survived the storm or the bridge was damaged by the storm. Bound, going to the destination or restricted from moving. He is bound for Delhi. He is bound in chairs, means he is heading to Delhi. He is tied in the chains. Screen, to show or to hide. The curtain screened the view. It means it revealed or it blocked is not clear. So be specific about it. Like the curtains blocked the view, the curtains were pulled to reveal the view. Next is clip. Clip means to attach or to cut. She clipped the paper. Is not clear the attached or cut it. So be specific about like she attached a paper clip to the seat. She cut the paper. Next is fast. Fast also means quickly. Fast also means fixed in place. So be specific about it. The rope was tied fast. Means rope was tied tidily or he moved quickly. Is it? Must be clear. Apology is regret or defense of action. So he wrote an apology for his action. So sorry or explaining why he did it. He wrote a note of regret or he wrote a defense of his behavior. Cleave means to split and to cling. The meat cleaved to the bone. So stuck to or separated from. So be specific about it. The meat stuck to the bone. He split the log in half. Out, visible or not visible, both can be there. The stars are out. So star is visible in the sky or star are not visible in the sky. Be specific about it. The star are visible. The light were out. Or stars were not visible. Custom, common practice, or a unique design can also be custom that I customize this thing. The dress is that dress is custom, which means the dress is specially tailored or wearing white is common practice at wedding ordinary or tailored. So just in order to be specific and get clarity in technical writing, you need to tackle this genus word very specifically, and rather than creating confusing meaning this with this genus word, either be specific or try to replace them with more specific words. Thank you.